Hello guys. So last month Netflix released one of the mega hit of all time. Yeah, I am talking about Squid Game. I know most of the guys after watching Squid Game, you may be interested in many survival game dramas or some Korean dramas. Maybe you searched in so many sites about some best Korean dramas, so on. So Netflix finally found a way that definitely people is going to search for such things, so it delivered us one of the another amazing story to us this month. Yeah, I am talking about My Name series. So in this video I'm going to talk something about My Name TV series. Like Squid Game, this series also has amazing plot and amazing elements in it, but both of them are totally different in here. But however, this series also a very good and interesting series. So first, let's talk about this story about the My Name in a nutshell. So a girl who lived in Korea, she was a daughter of a drug dealer, and for that reason, she was harassed by her classmates and even teachers. They also harassed her because her dad is a drug leader, and during her birthday her dad called her to wish her, but she was in angry that day due to some incidents in the school, and she scolded her dad. So dad tried to meet her, and he came out of his hiding place to meet her, and during that time he was killed by a mysterious person, and that girl felt something like she is the reason for her dad's death, and she tried to find the answer about the mysterious killer, and she chased him, and she took many actions to find who is that mysterious killer. This drama is about that thing, whether she find that mysterious killer or not, and who are the person helped her, and so many elements are in there in that series. So I'm not going to spoil the entire story, so you can watch it and get to know about that series, how it is going to end like that. The thing is, the series is very interesting from the beginning to the end, and the element of mystery they used in the series is very interesting, and it will keep you in your seat until the very last moment. That's the one of the plus point about this series. And rather than that, there are so many characters in this series, and you will definitely going to love them. There are some good guys, there are some bad guys, but we will feel something for each characters. Even he's a bad or good, you will feel something, but for some bad characters you definitely feel hatred towards them. That is the plus point of this series. It always talk about the emotions of each characters and make us feel something about them, whether it is sad, sympathy, empathy, or like that. So many things you will feel about each characters. And rather than that, the plot of the story is very good, and they have used some nice theme musics in there, and the actors and actresses have given their maximum in their stories, and their acting is very perfect. That's the thing. And the story is also a very fast pacing story, we can say like that. There is no dull moments in the story, and the main thing is fight scenes. Definitely the fight scenes are way better than the other series, and she's like some kind of Lady John Wick. So many fans are calling her Lady John Wick after watching this series, because her fight scenes and fighting styles are very amazing. And the when you watch those fight scenes, you may get some feeling about the villainous movie. It is something similar to that. I also got that feeling. It is like villainous movie. That is one of the plus point, because that movie is also one of the amazing and fantastic movie of all time, and this series also like that. One of the amazing series I have ever watched. And rather than these, that fight scenes, definitely she is very. She has given her maximum in the fight scenes. Also, the emotions, the styles are very very interesting, and you will definitely going to love this series if you watch this one. So that's all. I think these are the enough reasons for you to watch this series. If you want to bring your time, free time, you can definitely watch this series. I am 100% guarantee that this series is amazing. So if you watch this series, put your opinions about this series in the comment section as well. So bye bye guys, and if you are looking for some another exciting series to watch, definitely follow our channel. I will tell the things I watched, and I will share some thoughts about those series with you. So bye bye guys, see you in another video.